School Principal. School President, Mr. Roberto F. Palanca. Principal, Mr. Conrado Botor. Holy Trinity College of Camarines Sur, Incorporated, Corps Commander and Staff. Cadet, Lieutenant Colonel Maria Janelle T. Francia, Corps Commander. Cadet Major Joros Cristobal S1. Cadet Major Andrew J. T. Ramos S2. Cadet Major Miyoki M. Rigaspi S3. Cadet Major Princess Roma S. Rigaspi S4. Major Leader Cadet Master Sergeant Monas A. Mataya. Band Leader Cadet Master Sergeant Ozen T. Pisebre. Company Commander Cadet Major Larry J. Herobin II. Company XO Cadet Major Satini Lance G. Oreta. First Platoon Leader Cadet Major Andre Vera Kunapu. Second Platoon Leader Cadet Major S. Sanchez. Larry J. M. Herobin, Philippine Navy Reserve. Band Trainer Mr. Aldis Griego. Major Trainer Mr. Junel B. Sambularse. Entry number 36, Holy Trinity College of Camarines Sur, Incorporated from Bato, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 36, Holy Trinity College of Camarines Sur, Incorporated from Bato, Camarines Sur.